Welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 10th Science Part 1 Workshop of Lesson number 5 Heat. Before starting the workshop, please subscribe my channel. To get notification, touch the bell icon. Question 1. Fill in the blanks and rewrite the sentence. A. The amount of water vapor in air is determined in terms of its absolute humidity. B. If objects of equal masses are given equal heat, their final temperature will be different. This is due to difference in their specific heat capacities. C. During transformation of liquid phase to solid phase, the latent heat is given off. Question 2. Observe the following graph considering the change in volume of water as its temperature is raised from 0 degrees Celsius. Discuss the difference in the behavior of water and other substances. What is the behavior of water?
डाउनलोड कीजिए गूगल पे और जब चाहें फैमिली में किसी का भी मोबाइल रिचार्ज
Called liquid expand on heating and contract on cooling, but water exhibits an exceptional behavior in temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. When water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius up to 4 degrees Celsius, instead of expanding it contracts. Its volume decreases continuously from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, its volume is minimum. Upon heating further, however, it expands and its volume increases. This behavior of water between temperature interval of 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. Question 3. What is meant by specific heat capacity? How will you prove experimentally that different substances have different specific heat capacities? The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of an object by 1 degree Celsius is called the specific heat or specific heat capacity of that object. Experiment. Solid pairs of iron, copper and lead of equal mass are taken and placed into boiling water in the beaker till they attain temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. These pairs are then immediately placed on the thick slab of wax simultaneously. It is observed that each of the spheres reaches different depth in the wax slab. Iron sphere goes deepest, followed by copper and then lead sphere. The sphere that absorbs more heat from water supplies more heat to wax, causing more melting of wax and going deeper in wax. This proves that for equal rise in temperature, the three spheres have absorbed different amount of heat and possess different specific heat capacities.
इससे पहले कि लाइफ वापस रफ्तार पकड़े, धीरे धीरे अपनी न्यूज पढ़ने की आदत डाल लें ताकि रफ्तार में भी
Question 4. While deciding the unit for heat, which temperatures interval is chosen? Why? While deciding the unit of heat, temperature interval chosen is 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Reason: when 1 kilogram of water is heated through 1 degree Celsius in various temperature ranges, the amount heat required to raise temperature by 1 degree Celsius varies slightly from range to range. Hence, it is essential to define a specific temperature range while defining unit of heat. Question 5. Explain the following temperature versus time graph. This graph demonstrates the behavior of water when heated continuously and uniformly. Line segment AB denotes conversion of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into water at 0 degrees Celsius. Line segment BC indicates continuous rise in temperature of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. At point C, boiling point of water is reached and heat energy supplied further is used to convert water into steam. Line segment CD denotes conversion of water at 100 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Question 6. Explain the following. A. What is the role of anomalous behavior of water in preserving aquatic life in regions of cold climate? In cold climate, water contracts. As a result, the density of water increases and it goes down. To replace it, warmer water from below rises up. This process continues.
दुनिया में दो किस्म के लोग होते हैं, एक जिनको मंथ एंड सताता है और दूसरे जो मीशो पे कमाते हैं। मीशो से कमाएं महीने में 3 सैलरीज और काम भी आसान है। बस मीशो ऐप डाउनलोड करो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ
till temperature of water at the bottom of pond becomes 4 degrees Celsius. Water, due to its anomalous behavior, possesses maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature lower further, ice is formed at the surface of pond below it. Ice, being poor conductor of heat, blocks the further heat exchange between atmosphere and water in the pond. This maintains temperature of water below surface of ponds or lakes at 4 degrees Celsius, enabling survival of aquatic plants and animals. How can you relate the formation of water droplets on the outer surface of a bottle taken out of refrigerator with formation of dew? When temperature of air at down falls, air becomes saturated with vapor. As a result, the excess vapor condenses on surface of object in the form of dew. When a bottle is taken out from refrigerator, it cools the air surrounding it. Air in vicinity becomes saturated with vapor and excess vapor condenses on the surface of bottle in the form of water droplets. Thus, both the phenomena take place due to air reaching its dew point temperature. In cold regions in winter, the rocks crack due to anomalous expansion of water. When water is accumulated in a fissure of rock, as temperature in cold climate.
किसान भाइयों, अब आ गया है भारत में पशुओं की खरीद बेच के लिए ऐप एनिमॉल। इसमें बिना कमीशन के बिकाऊ पशु देखें और अपना पशु बेच भी।
At dips below 4 degrees Celsius, water starts expanding instead of contracting. Between temperature fall of 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, volume of water increases.